Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WordPress plugins and content before no-code rebuild, full guide step-by-step clearly. To start backing up your WordPress plugins and content, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Installed Plugins to view your active plugins. Make a list of the plugins you currently have installed. For each plugin, check for a backup option provided within the plugin settings. If a backup option is available, follow the prompts to create a backup. If no option is available, you will need to manually back them up. Using an FTP client, connect to your website's server. Navigate to the WP Content folder. Locate the Plugins folder within WP Content. Download the entire Plugins folder to your local machine. Next, let's back up your content. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Tools in the left sidebar, then select Export. Choose All Content to ensure everything is included. Click the Download Export File button. This will generate an XML file containing your posts, pages, comments, and more. Now, back up your database for a complete backup. You can use a plugin like WP Migrate DB or Duplicator for this purpose. Install and activate your chosen backup plugin. Follow the plugin's instructions to create a database backup. Alternatively, access your hosting control panel and look for phpMyAdmin. Select your database from the list on the left. Click on the Export tab at the top. Choose the Quick Export method and click Go. This will download a .sql file of your database. With all backups in place, double-check that you have the XML file, plugins folder, and database backup saved securely. Now, you are ready to proceed with your no-code rebuild, knowing you have successfully backed up your WordPress plugins and content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.